Hey, hello folks. Kirti here back again. Post the previous video of mine where you have seen that I have unboxed the Flipkart package, wherein I have received these two boxes. The one is the bag, the camera bag for Nikon D5600, and the other one is the camera itself as a package. So I thought I'll take you through the unboxing of the package, before which I'll show how the bag is. This is the bag which is provided with this box currently. So this is pretty decent bag. It has multiple chambers with additional pads provided to take care of shocks that might have during an impact, if in case while we have kept the camera inside. So these pads takes care of those things. We also have a belt which helps in carrying this bag. This will go to these clips which is provided towards the either side of the bag. So I'll make another video to show how the camera can be kept inside this safely, ensuring that camera and the lenses does not have any impact, in spite of which packed efficiently. I mean, both 1855 and 7300 lenses can be packed into this bag. Decent enough, compact. It also has multiple zippers around. One behind, you can keep your filters, probably the lens caps if you have an additional one to store, and you also have a zipper here. You can keep your memory cards, and yes, that's pretty much about the bag. Anyways, I'll make another video to show how the camera and lenses can be decently fit into this and kept in such that no impact will be there in case of any small shocks. We have another zipper here, as I said. Yes, the charger and the battery goes in here. I'll take you through it again. Let's jump into the camera. I'll not delay it anymore. So this is the box. This is completely sealed. I have not broken the seal. I see there is another box here. Let's start with this. I believe this is the memory card box. Yes, it is the memory card box. So this memory card is provided with the box, with the camera. So let's see, what is it? Okay, this is 16 GB Toshiba memory card, 100 Mbps. It's a class 1 memory card, so this can be used on this camera. Yes, anyways, however, I have an additional memory card with the 64 GB, but this one is provided with the camera. Let's move on to the box. I'll keep this here. So this with the box, let me cut open. Okay, this is the hologram sticker that is sealed to ensure that this is not tampered. So let's cut through this. Just done with one. Okay, got clear with both the ones. So this goes like this. Yes. Finally, box is out. So there is a protective carton cover here. So let me open this. I have few paperworks kept in, but I see this is the service center details, where and all you will be able to find the camera service centers. It also has a small photo walkthrough by Nikon, It gives the website where Nikon school, and you can register and have a small few workshops available there. It also has I'm not sure what this is. Probably some paperwork that says be a part of some loyalty program, nikonschool.in. It's again the Nikon school stuff. This is 2-year comprehensive warranty with the terms and condition. This is for the camera. It has all the terms and conditions listed. It also has the importer's address mentioned over here, the respective managing director for the same, and it comes along with 3 warranty slips. One warranty slip will go with the body. This one is the warranty that goes with the body. This one is for the lens 1855, and I have one more here. This is for 7300. So 3 warranty cards detailed along with the card provided. So a few some download centers details. I have a user manual which nobody reads, but I insist folks, before getting onto the camera, it is always better to check through this user manual, which will always come in handy, explaining few of the details like the buttons and stuffs which are provided around the camera. If in case any upgrades are available, then yes, this definitely will be highlighted in the user manual, and don't lose this. In spite of not reading it, you can keep it handy anytime. If you require, you might get back to it. Okay, so I will keep this here, and let's start with this. Okay, this is the battery charger. As you see, MH24 battery charger. This is the battery charger which is provided with the box. Let me put it here. And you can see the battery here. This is the battery provided with the camera. Nikon rechargeable lithium ion battery pack, 7.2 volts, 1230 mAh, 8.9 Wh. Decent enough battery backup. It provides good battery backup. It gives 8.9 working hours is what it says. So hope it does what it says. Let me put that back here. I have a strap provided in the box. This strap is for the camera body. I'll show you how we will be able to attach this to the camera body. Okay, strap. It's nice, strong enough. It's strong. We'll come to this again. For the moment, I'll put this aside. I'm stuffing all the covers here. So I think this is the lens. Yes, this is 1855 lens. You can see that it's finely packed in the bubble cover and then wrapped in another plastic cover. Yeah, this is the 1855 lens. Okay, this is the lock provided here. Just press this to unlock. It's working fine. Okay, pretty cool. let me keep it here. Let me jump on to the other lens, which is here. Here comes 7300 lens. Yes, see 300 lens. Yes, it's working fine. Good. There goes 7300 lens. Let's look into the body, actual body of the camera. So this is the body of the camera, wrapped in cover. Okay, this is pretty decent and handy. Very small, smaller than expected. So this how it looks. These are the stuffs which are packaged inside the box. So that's 16 GB memory card, battery charger, 1855 and 7300 lens and camera body, and the leash to hold the body intact while you shoot. So these are the things provided inside the box with 5600 1855 VR and 7030 VR kit. Thanks guys. If you have any comments, you have any suggestions to make, please do let me know. I'll make the improvements as required. I'll make few more videos to show how the lenses have been fit into the camera and how the camera can be safely stored in the bag provided, and I will also show you the memory card that I'll be using on this camera, which will be a 64 GB SanDisk. I'll make another video in detail to showcase how things are being arranged by my end, at my end, and how I like to put things across. So let's keep it more interactive. Any suggestions, any comments, you're welcome. I'll be looking forward to. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe this channel for the videos that I post on. You will get notified on priority. Thank you very much guys. Thanks for your all support.